steps at 5 for you. I do that 3-4 times again, I testify for you. I thought I like you, that bitch, I do it. All that I'm around, you scared to do. I'm not, long as you joking, now in for me. I ain't got it, my bitch, skin, do it. I joke bodies, long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. Tell the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do. Yeah. In the drop top ride with you, I feel like Scarface. That white bitch with the bob, I be your main one. Just take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent on your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Hard to grow when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm here.
Wait, okay. You don't need to see them, they're ugly.
Got it on portrait too. Put your hand in.
Dang, you didn't take me here when I'm fine.
Huh? You any bars?
I said fine. What's up, y'all? I don't know where I'm going, but we gonna make this work. We gonna make this work. Today I have like a work event to go to, but me and my coworker are going to grab a little drink before we go. So that's where I'm heading now. Nothing much has been going on. I have been working and plotting and scheming on how I can get us to 200 subscribers, baby. So if you haven't subscribed already, hit that button. No, I'm just kidding. Hit the button, please. I'll give you some time to hit it while I face Houston traffic. Alright, anyway. Oh my god, y'all. But yeah, so I'm not doing anything. We're about to go grab a drink, and then we have an event to go to. And I'm definitely going to take you guys so that way you can see. It should be like some aesthetics going on, because you know I live for the aesthetic, baby. But yeah, y'all, I am happy because Young Dolph comes out with an album tomorrow. Yeah, Young Dolph comes out with an album tomorrow, and so I love me some Young Dolph. So I've been listening to his music all day, getting hype. I went from church gospel over to a little trap music with Young Dolph. But that's all right. That's all right. So I'm really happy. But I'm so sad that we are losing so many, like, talented black men. Like, what's going on with that, you know? Him, Takeoff. Shoot, Twitch just passed away. Like, it's scary out here. Like, these aren't, dang, this one is bumpy, y'all. But I'm just so sad. And, you know, it's so easy to be honestly, it's so easy to be upset and to be mad, but it's harder to choose joy and be thankful that you woke up today, and that, you know, just little things that you are grateful for. So, you know, easily when I can get upset or be mad or be frustrated, I just really think about like all the blessings I have and how lucky I am to be healthy and alive today. Because like this world ain't no joke. Because people is really here today and gone tonight. Okay, they ain't going tomorrow. They not going tomorrow no more. They gone tonight. Okay, so that's how real it's getting. Like, it's like, yeah, life is short, but it's shorter than we thought. They here today and gone tonight by 7 p.m. That's like how it's going. So it's just scary, you know. But yeah, y'all, I'm going to pull up at this place, and then I'm gonna turn y'all back on so y'all can see where I'm at and if the aesthetic and if it's a vibe. So we'll see all that good stuff. All right, y'all. And before I turn to the camera, it's cold in Houston. So maybe it'll be cold on Christmas, you know. But all right, for real, y'all. Bye. All right, y'all, we made it to our destination. The parking is stupid, but we're at ANVIL. So we're gonna head in here and see what these drinks is hitting for. Oh, God. Houston. Y'all heard that shit.
That was me though, jumping curves.
There's like no parking. I forgot how Montrose is. I got used to being able to just park.
I think there's complimentary valet at that next place.
Ooh, I want something holiday. I got on this midriff so I can show my stomach at any time. Alright, let me.
Early in the morning, late at night. It don't even matter what time it is.
High volume, high volume, high volume.
Presidential, roll it, RM, wait. Whenever I found time, it's okay. You pray for my genius, girl, I got you. Every time I sip on codeine, I get vulnerable. Annoying the sounds of the storm when it comes. She understand I can't take her everywhere a nigga going. I've been in the field like the children of the corn. I can hear your tears when they drop over the phone. Get mad at yourself cause you can't leave me alone. Gossip been messy, that ain't what we doing.
If they want my dad,
traveling around the world, over the phone, driving straight. I get my bottle when I do good. When you drunk, you tell me exactly how you feel.
We got our drinks, so I wonder. I just spilled it all over me. I just spilled my drink all over my pants. Oh well, I'll be fine. I got on black pants, but it's pretty good. It's really good. So I would come back to here. It seems like just a drink place. I would come back. Do you like yours? mushrooms and asparagus also. I love it.
I should have told them put a shot in the tea, in my perspective. Y'all don't do that? No. Prosecco and orange juice and a shot of tequila. That's like
Oh, wow. Zoom in. Let's live that life. Let's really be about it. Let's be in the moment. Let's manifest. Ooh, my voice went out. Let's manifest our desires, our dreams. What do you want? What do you need? What's good for you? How you gonna live your life? Alright, y'all. But for real, this view is amazing. So I just had to come on here to show you guys. Tracking canceled. What does that mean? Why is it blurry? Why am I blurry? Oh, I think it's trying to. Okay, there we. It's trying to get the background and not me, y'all. All right, y'all. We are overlooking the city. All right, let me go, cause they're looking at me.
Don't say it cause you know that's why I wanna hear. Yeah, I've been trapping around the world. I sit on my balcony and wonder how you feeling.
Let me put the pretty boy on camera. Cloud got a haircut, y'all. Look at Cloud. Look at Cloud. Look at his haircut. Look at the baby haircut. Look. Look. Hey. Hey. Show them your haircut. Sit. Sit. Good boy. Good boy, Cloud. Good boy. Come on, what you want to do? You want to go? I probably gotta pee. Oh, you sure that? That's why he went behind the tree. All right, y'all, I'm gonna end it here. There you go. Let them know you had to get that poop out. Cause you know you low-key itty booty. Y'all know what that means. Shitty booty. He had to go ahead and get that poop out. And I don't know why he drink this rainwater all the time. He looked like a little girl. Water good, ain't it? It's the water from the Lord. Alright, y'all. I'm hungry because I got some canes. And look, he already dirty. Get this off of you. Get that off of you. He looks so cute, Cloud. Alright, he's ready to go inside. Be back, y'all. What's up, guys? How y'all doing? I got all pretty today so I can record a video for y'all. So today I am going to record my skincare holy grails. Y'all probably already seen that, but I got all cute for y'all. I keep looking over here and I'm supposed to be looking over here. But anyway, I got all cute for y'all. You see all that? I got cute for y'all. But yeah, I haven't been on here for like in 2 days. I just have so much content, which I think I told y'all last time I was on here, but that's good because it needs to force me to put out vlogs like more often. And now that I have a camera, I just always pick up my camera, but I'm running out of storage, so I got to be careful. I know. I only got a 64 gig. I gotta get that 256 gig. But yeah, you guys, I'm about to film this skincare holy grail for y'all. Ooh, ooh. And I put on some makeup. I let my hair down, you know. What? But yeah, that's all that's going on. Today is Saturday, and yesterday was Friday. I didn't do anything. I had to take Cloud to the groomers, which y'all already saw. And then yesterday I was working, and then what else did I do? I think that's all I did. But this morning I got up, I cleaned up my bathroom, I got in the shower, got dressed, and now we're about to film. And then I'm gonna edit this skincare holy grail just so it could go up on Sunday for you guys. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm about to set up my room for how I film. But that's all that's going on, y'all. And later on, I'm gonna go to my cousin Paris's house. She's supposed to be having a barbecue today. So I'm definitely gonna bring you guys along so y'all can see my family, how it be a little crazy, you know. And then when the camera come out, who knows what people be trying to do, you know. But all right, y'all, I will talk to y'all later. And oh my god, we are growing. We hit 120 subscribers, so yay. I love you guys so much, and I'm definitely gonna be consistent. I'm definitely gonna be on here, and y'all gonna be seeing more of me. So if you haven't already, you might as well just subscribe. Okay, but all right, y'all, bye. Y'all, no, they did not just bust out Say My Name on my playlist, and I was really jamming. But no, y'all, I'm on my way. I'm on my way to my cousin's barbecue. It's cold today in Texas. It's 58 degrees. I asked my mom before I went outside. I said, is it cold? No. It's cold thinner. It's so cold in H. But, y'all, I get cold easy. But, I just wanted to say, so I know I'm going to a barbecue, but I got a hot and spicy because your girl is starving, and I only eat, so for all my new loves, I only eat chicken and turkey and seafood. So I don't eat any beef or whatever else, ribs, pork, ham, all that. I don't eat it. So I'm not about to play with it. If they might have chicken, they might not. I don't know. She sounded a little iffy on the phone. So I had just went ahead and picked me up a hot and spicy because I ain't got time for it because your girl be hungry. But anyway, I said all that to say that McDonald's, y'all, be really trying to upsell your girl. I be like, dang. So this time I went, he was like, okay, you got a hot and spicy, you got a fry, you got 2 chocolate chip cookies, you sure you don't want a drink? No, he said, you don't want a drink? I said, no, I have my water right here. You sure you don't want a drink? And I was about to say, give me a drink. I'm about to get another water. I said, no, I don't need one. And then the other time I went, I got a hot and spicy small fry, and then I had asked for 1 chocolate chip cookie. And he was like, you sure you don't want 2 cookies? Bundle it for $1? And so, like, how can I pass that up, right? I'm like, yeah, give me another cookie. I'm like, dang, did y'all go to sales training? Like, always trying to upsell me. Next, y'all gonna be like, do you need a Big Mac and a McFlurry and a large apple pie? Like, dang. Let me order what I want to order, you know? But, alright, y'all, I'm about to get off this camera and eat my hot and spicy because I'm hungry. And this is a long drive. Can I go? Yeah, I have a pretty long drive. I'll be all over. Your girl be whipping. And I love to drive, so I'll be all over Texas. Call me, Texas's finest. Nah. But, alright, y'all, I'll pick the camera back up when I get there, and Tay-Tay is out.
Here, you fail.
This ain't my whole income for the year.
You fail.
Girl. Look, I'm
This ain't
She gonna be alright. She gonna be alright.
The candle has spilled on the table, y'all. So now they trying to clean it up.
For one squirt.
This me.
Put the wax back in the candle like I told you.
Hey, say y'all look at. Like, peep this shit.
This is Egyptian. Put the wax back in there. Put the wax back in there. A lot of kids